So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Nova, Standard 8, Subject English, Semester 2, Unit 1, Writing about Writing. In Activity 7, we study about neutral summary that we have already studied. Okay, first of all, we saw about summary, and in summary, we have studied neutral summary. In neutral summary, certain points we discussed. Okay, in that, which sentence is probably from a neutral summary? Which one do you think that O. Henry would agree? Express his main idea. In that first point we have already completed. Even then I will repeat. After 20 years is a great story, and it teaches a very important lesson that I agree with. One should never put friendship above duty. I think that one must do what is right, even when it's unpleasant. The policeman in the story sees a suspicious stranger on the street and stops to talk to him. The reader can tell the stranger is not a good man when the stranger describes. In this, we have seen that two friends, one was a policeman, one was a criminal. And policeman came to know that he is my friend. Then he gives importance to his duty, not a friendship. Okay, but we should give important whatever writer has given. We should not write our own idea, our thought, that which we have seen in a neutral summary. Okay, second, the story after 20 years has the typical O. Henry twist at the end. In this one friend betrays another. The story begins with a conversation between a policeman and a man who is waiting outside a restaurant for a man he hasn't seen in 20 years. The two discuss the friend that the man is waiting for. Neither the man nor the reader know that the policeman is himself the man's friend. In this, we have discussed that two persons they were discussing with each other, and in that it was not shown that this policeman is none other than but this man's friend who was waiting, his friend who will come today. Okay, that was not shown. They both talked together. Conversation also took place between this man, policeman, and this man was standing outside of the restaurant. Okay, but a man he hasn't seen in 20 years, but he is discussing about his friend. The two discuss the friend that the man is waiting for. The man is waiting for his friend. Neither the man nor the reader know that the policeman is himself. They did not tell that a policeman who was visiting the place at the night time, he was his friend. Okay, so that was a real character, that was a real theme of the story which was not shown. So that is applicable here. Then third point, O. Henry writes some good stories, but after 20 years is not one of them. Okay, O. Henry has written many good stories, but after 20 years is not like this. In this one, a good friend shows up after 20 years only to be betrayed by the other friend. But in this story, especially after 20 years, a good friend shows up after 20 years. One friend is meeting, because after 20 years they are meeting. Before 20 years they promised, and after 20 years they are meeting. And in these 20 years, another friend is betraying to his friend. So only he is meeting to be betrayed by the other friend. And that is not fair at all. The story starts when a policeman questions a man on the street who is waiting for a friend. A story starts that we have seen in the first semester when a policeman asks a question because one man who was standing there near to the restaurant. At that time, policeman goes near and asking that why you are standing here, for whom you are waiting. The man does not know that. The man was not knowing that to whom he was talking. He is not anybody else, but he is a real friend to whom was waiting and he wanted to meet him after 20 years. He came to meet, but he didn't know that he is his friend. He considered him only policeman. Okay, that is also applicable here that we can see. The sentences that are not from a neutral summary are not neutral because they show the summary, rights, thoughts, and feelings. Neutral means we are changing the theme, okay? But we suppose not to change. When we are writing something about O. Henry, then whatever he has written, the same thing we should write. We should not change anything. If we change, then that is not neutral. Because if we are writing neutral, then they show the summary or thoughts and feelings. Our feelings we are showing, our emotions we are showing. But in a neutral, we should not show our thought and our feelings. Whatever that only we have to show. Okay? Then choose one of the paragraphs about O. Henry's story that is not neutral. Out of this, you have to find out what is neutral. If it is your own idea, your own emotion and feelings, that is not neutral. But if you accept whatever is given by O. Henry, that is neutral. So underline the words and phrases which are given in these lines that seem to show the writer's thought and feelings. In that you have to see which are the writer's thought and writer's feeling that you underline. And then how many words did you underline, that also you should write here. Okay, how many words you underline, that also you can mention here into the blank, into the gap. Compare your answer with the classmate, you can see, and then afterwards you can do comparison with your classmate. Find one classmate who has an idea that is different from your. You can also compare with other friend. His idea may be different from your. Use what you find to fill in the paragraph below. That also you can use and fill in the paragraph. Okay, this is your personal activity. It is a class activity. I underlined number dash that you can write by asking your classmate. Dash words because they seem to show the thought and feelings of the writer. Okay, whatever your friend has shown you, that you can mention here, and you may write I underlined dash number, okay, 20 number or 25 words because they seem to show the thoughts and feelings of the writer. My classmate had a different answer. My classmate underlined these words, and what your classmate has underlined, that also you can mention. Okay. So here is the end of our today's session, my dear student. We will stop here for today's period, for today's session. The remaining part we will see in the next session. So till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you very much. Goodbye.